You can take notes and develop an outline within the Notecards feature in NoodleTools. Navigate to your project dashboard and click the Notecards option. A window will open with two panes. The left pane is the Notecard pane. Click the New button to create a new note card. Give your note card a title and link it to one of your sources so you don't lose track. You can add as little or as much information in each of the boxes as you like. Hints may be provided in the boxes before you begin typing. When finished, choose Save and Close. Your note cards are displayed as thumbnail images in the note card pane if you are in tabletop view. If you hover over them with your mouse, some of the note card appears along with options to view details or edit. Viewing details flips your screen to detail view for that specific note card. Edit pulls up the full record. You can print note cards, sort them into piles, link them to sources, add searchable tags, or delete a selected note card by using the buttons at the top of the note card pane. The outline pane provides you with the tools to create an outline of your document before you begin writing. In the outline pane, use the plus sign to add items to the outline. You can double-click or use the edit icon to change or remove placeholder text. To add more items to your outline, click the topic on the outline which matches the level where you want your next topic to land. If I make a mistake, all I have to do is click on the topic I want to delete and